Cold open. Ever pondered the connection between your plate and your spirit? It's deeper than you might think. Welcome to Food Brings Life, where we explore the profound ties between food and our existence. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of food and spirituality. Food is not simply sustenance, it's a conduit to our inner selves. It's why many spiritual practices involve fasting or specific diets to purify the soul. Ever heard of the Buddhist vegan diet, or the Hindu practice of eating prasad? These are not just dietary choices, they're spiritual commitments. Clean eating can help clear the mind, boost energy, and enhance your connection with the universe. It's about nurturing your body, mind, and soul. But remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about balance and making mindful choices. Explore this journey with us on Food Brings Life. Subscribe and comment to join the conversation. Until next time, remember, food is not just fuel, it's a spiritual experience. Stay hungry for more than just food, stay hungry for life.